When we use WPS Spreadsheet to organize the data form, we may sometimes need to add borders to the cells in the table. For example, we may use the upper and lower borders to make alphabets, employee information tables, music staff, and so on. Different data forms require different cell borders, so how can we set the table border style? Take the employee information table as an example. Select the cell area and click the Home tab in the upper feature area and then the Other Borders drop-down button. There you can set the cell border. Click All Borders. Then we can add borders to all the selected cells. If we only want to add the outer border of the selected cell, click the No Borders button to cancel the border of the table first. And then select Cell Area. Click the Outside Borders button. Now we have successfully added the outer border of the cell. We can also add top, bottom, left, and right borders to the selected cell according to the usage scenarios. We can also add double bottom borders, which will add 2 borders to the bottom of the cell. Click the More Borders button, where you can customize the borders in the pop-up Format Cells dialog box. Select the cell area, right-click, and select Set Up Cell Format. The shortcut key for this feature is Ctrl and 1. Click Border in the Cell Format dialog box, and then you can set the style, color, preset style, and location of the border line. Finally, click OK to apply the border settings.